Once upon a time, there was a young girl named Sara who had always been interested in art but had never had the chance to learn it. One day, she decided to search YouTube for drawing tutorials. With excitement, she opened YouTube and started browsing. Among countless videos, she stumbled upon a channel called Kevser Ahlaki. The title of one of the videos caught her attention, so she clicked on watching. After just one video, she was captivated by the simple and friendly teaching style of this channel. Kevser explained each drawing technique patiently, making Sara feel guided every step of the way. She kept watching more videos, finding herself increasingly inspired. Sara decided to subscribe to Kevser Ahlaki's channel to stay updated with new videos. As she practiced the techniques she learned, her drawing skills began to improve significantly. Eventually, her work became she started receiving commissions from various companies. Now, using the ideas and skills learned from this channel, she earns a good income. Sara now recommends Kevser Ahlaki's channel to her friends and colleagues, encouraging them to watch, like, and subscribe to benefit from this incredible content. She has not only become a successful artist, but also one of the channel's biggest fans and supporters.